All right, hey guys, OFD checking in here, and today it's finally time to do a full review of the Citizen Pro Diver. This is the BN0151-09L. So about a week ago, guys, I did an unboxing on this watch, and I didn't doubt that I was going to be impressed, but I'm really impressed with this piece, especially at the price point. And guys, I'm going to leave a link down below because they were out of these for a while at Amazon, but they're back in stock and Black Friday deal. These are going for $119. Which I don't think you can really find, I'll be honest, a better watch for $119 than this watch right here. This is an ISO rated dive watch, 200 meters. I'm going to get into all the specs, but again, they're $119 right now at Amazon. I don't think they are going to last very long at that price point. They didn't last time. So if you guys are interested in picking one of these up, definitely follow the link down below in the description. I will leave a link to the unboxing video. You guys can check out the killer Promaster tank that these watches come in. It's really impressive for the price point at basically 120 is what they're going for, 119.99, but really impressive. Just before I get into the specs, it's funny because I've always thought if I was going to create a watch, if I was going to make a dive watch for the masses out there, it would be a solar dive watch, ISO rated 200 meters with solar technology. And now the Citizen is doing that pretty much. I don't really see the ability to do that because this is just a killer watch. So let's go ahead and jump into this one. Now, the case size on this watch at first is going to be a little bit scary to you guys. It comes in at 44 millimeters from side to side, stays under 50 at 48.7 lug tip to lug tip. One of the really nice things is how thin the watch is. It comes in 11.5 millimeters of thickness, so it's under 12 millimeters, fits really well, and you have a 20 millimeter lug opening. Now, what I was saying about the size of the watch can sound scary, and that's at 44 side to side, of course not including the crown or the crown guards. One thing I do want to note to you guys is you'll notice, I'm going to tip to the side here, or like this so you can see it, but from the case side up to the bezel top, it actually tapers, and it tapers down to closer 42 millimeters. So the watch sits on the wrist really well with that nice 44 millimeter platform underneath it, but it really tapers down to a nice size at the bezel, and also the crystal is just a normal size crystal, in the dial face. It's not an oversized dial or anything like that, but really great looking watch. Now I'm going to bring it up a little closer so we can look at the dial itself. Now there's a solar Eco Drive movement in here. This is running the E168 solar drive movement, or Eco Drive, excuse me, which is a solar movement. But the solar, Citizen has a couple of different ways of doing their solar. They'll have a solar ring around the outside of the dial, and also they'll put a flexible solar panel generally underneath their dial also. So a lot of advanced technology being used here. I do want to note to you guys those nicely applied indices all the way around the watch with the chrome surround looks really nice. The beautiful, very legible hands on this watch, that minute hand and that big, bold orange outline there, both full of lume. You can see the second hand ticking away there nicely and hitting every single indice as you would expect. And then the writing on the dial is really clean with the Citizen, the Eco Drive, Divers 200 meters down there. Also with the E168 movement, you get a date function over here at the 4 o'clock position. So really nice, well put together watch overall. I will tell you that the crystal on the watch is a mineral crystal, which you would expect at the price point. And I got to tell you guys though, there's something about hardened mineral crystals. They're automatically anti-reflective. They call this an anti-reflective mineral crystal, but you guys watch my videos, and when I'm doing a video with a mineral crystal, the reflections are severely reduced compared to a sapphire crystal, which are just full of reflection. And if you get a domed sapphire crystal, it's like, forget about it. Even with AR coating, underneath, you're not going to get away. The only way you get away with that is AR coating on top, but I digress a bit. So the beautiful blue dial on this watch. Now it's available in black also, but I don't believe those are on sale at the website. I will put a link to the black one down below also, but the blue is really cool. I'm a Dodgers fan, so it looks really good. The rubber strap on the watch has, as you would expect, the decompression and time limits for diving. A nice ventilated strap here. They are a stiff rubber strap on the watch, but they are comfortable. Once you get them on the wrist, and I'll get it on the wrist here in a minute, they're very comfortable. Ventilated all the way around as you would expect on this watch. Now let's take a look at the case back, because all of your information here is really on the case back. I mean, it really gives you everything about the watch, the stainless steel build quality, the Eco Drive. I love that globe with the Eco Drive there on the back. Now it will tell you here, and it lets you know here, that once your battery drains down on this watch, which could be like 20-25 years, or if you have a problem with the watch, you do need to send these watches back to Citizen. You're not going to walk into your local jewelry store and have them swap out the battery in this watch. You do need to send it back to Citizen. They'll open the case and do the battery change for you on the watch. But generally, from my understanding with these solar movements, you're going to get 20 to 25 years worth of life out of them, which is really cool. Also, once you fully charge these solar movements here, you have from 6 to 10 months worth of power reserve in the watch. So once it's fully charged, I mean, you can set this thing aside in a drawer in the dark, and it's going to basically keep running, keep running, keep running. You're only going to have to set it for your daylight savings and any kind of date changes like that. But incredibly accurate. Since I've had it, it's running dead on. I mean, it's basically within the second from when I set it a week ago. So I have no problem with that. The bezel is a really nice, chunky 60 click bezel, which is my favorite. I don't need a 120 click bezel. I actually like just a good solid 60 click bezel. I think it works the best. So really an impressive watch here at the price point, guys. I don't see, how you can do any better getting an ISO rated dive watch for, $120 right now on Amazon. So let's go ahead and pause it, get this watch on my 7-inch wrist, and then we'll go off that Lume shot. All right, so if you saw the unboxing, I did put the watch on my wrist during the unboxing. The watch fits well. And like I said, this rubber strap, nothing fancy here, but it wears very well on the watch and it fits really, really well. It goes nice with my Dodgers blue sweatshirt. Actually, I am wearing a Dodgers sweatshirt here, so it looks really good. But the watch looks great. Let's dim those lights and check out the incredible Lume on the Citizen. All right, guys, I know I say this all the time, but when I dim the lights and the watch is already glowing, you know it's going to be a light show. So I couldn't find my little flashlight, guys, so we're back to the big old Drill Master today. So I'll get it charged up. But if you guys watched the unboxing, I did the Lume shot, the unboxing, and it's really, really impressive Lume. I do want to note that, and you can see it good in this shot here, the indices are actually blue Lume on the watch, so I'm assuming that's BGW9 or some Japanese version of that. And then your pip at your 12 o'clock position is a bright green. So it offers a great contrast for diving. So guys, if you want one of these, the $119 price point, I don't think they're going to last very long over there at Amazon, especially Black Friday. Today is Black Friday, so I'd say jump on them as quickly as possible. So, all right, guys, you like the video, give me a thumbs up down there at the bottom. And if you've not subscribed to the OFD channel yet, please do. Please do. Thanks, guys.